Hello Internet, welcome to my Java beginners tutorial thing. Now this is oriented around game development, and I will be using a book titled Introduction to Java Programming 7th edition by Y. Daniel Liang. So just getting that stuff out of the way. So first thing you're going to want to do to start with Java is go to this link that will be in the description, and this is to a program called Eclipse. Eclipse is an IDE, or Integrated Development Environment, and with integrated development environments you pretty much write code and they pretty much can finish your code for you. Sometimes they tell you if there's errors and whatnot. You can run your code, they can compile your code, do everything you need to do without having to go through a bunch of command prompts. So here you can either choose your operating system. I'm on 64-bit, and you're just going to click this. So you're going to click that, and you're going to wait for the download to finish. Alright. Now once you've downloaded Eclipse and opened up the zip file, it's gonna look like this. Just gonna be these. So you're gonna extract it. I should have it in my documents. Let me find it real quick. It's right. Hold on. I know where it is. Right there. Sorry about that. So Eclipse, you're gonna extract it, and you're gonna run the exe. I already have it on my start menu, so I'm gonna open that up on Eclipse, and it's gonna ask you for a workspace. You just do that. I'm gonna actually set a new workspace for this tutorial. You're gonna probably see a project that I'm working on, probably my Pong, if anything. Also, I'm going to teach you guys how to use Git and stuff like that so that you can get in practice. Yeah, this is my Pong. So I'm just gonna make a new workspace. You guys are gonna have to see this, so it's gonna be in Documents. This is good to know if you want to set up a new workspace. It's gonna be Java Tutorial. I'm just gonna put Java Tut because screw spelling. Java Tut. Alright, so now we have to wait for Eclipse to open again. So more stuff about Java. It's mainly for beginners. It's it's not that bad of a language, but some people don't really like it. So yeah. Should be opening. Here we go. What is going on? Okay, so your thing's gonna probably look like this by now. Sorry it took so long right there. So you're gonna make new. You're gonna make a Java project, and we're gonna title it Hello World. Just press enter. Now in Hello World, you're gonna click the little drop down, go to Source, make a new class, and just name it Hello World. Hello_world. So I'm gonna write some code real quick. So public class Hello World. So you're gonna make public static void main, and you're gonna put parentheses string with a capital S, and you're gonna put the bracket, and it's called an array in programming when you have brackets like that, and then args, and then after that you're gonna go outside of the parentheses and put a curly bracket. You do that by pressing shift and then the key for the bracket, which is right next to the P key. You're going to press enter and it'll automatically put this here. What we've just created is called a method. I'll get into those later. But first what you're going to do is you're going to do system.out.println hello world, and put a semicolon. You always end commands with semicolons, always. So do not forget this. So now that it's done, you're gonna run it. Save it. Down here will be the console, hello world. So let me explain this, and you can show line numbers by right clicking here. So line 1 is blank. Line 1 is public class hello world. A class, think of a class for now as an object that holds methods and variables and values. And so every Java program needs at least one class, and every class has a name, and it standardly like starts with a capital letter. So always start your classes with a capital letter. So now we have in line 2 we have our public static void main string arguments. To run a Java class, it must have this method, public static void main, and then your string and arguments. In Java, your main is always going to be a void, because there will be no return value. If you're experienced with other languages such as C++, then you are used to it being an integer with a return value of whatever. So anyways, so line 3 is your system out print line. So system.out.println just puts something down here in the console, and then right here in your parentheses is what you put in there in parentheses, where you take in parameters for this method. And in parentheses you always put English in parentheses. You put Java not in parentheses, English in parentheses. And these curly brackets symbolize that you're no longer in this method. You're no longer in this class. Alright, so that's first. Now, alright, so you're going to save that, and let's make a new class. New class. You're going to name it hello1. Press enter. Again, you have this. Again, don't forget your public static void main string array args open curly bracket. Now I'm going to show you about how Java or computers read code up from top to bottom. So it will create the class first and then look at the method. So for example, system.out.println, let's make this my second, because this is your second Java program, and then system.out.println, just put another one, and let's say I love Java. And then let's make another one, .println oops. Let's just put hello. Alright, so 3 different commands, all ending with a semicolon. Let's see what happens when you click run. Okay, see how it displayed it in order, because it reads from top to bottom. You can't have it, if you wanted to do hello first, you would have to move it up here. in order for it to work. Alright? Cool. So that is it for the first tutorial. Thank you for watching. Any suggestions, comments, I'll see you guys later. Or, yeah. Bye.